Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I thank the Honourable Rohit Sharma for the question. Mr. Speaker, sir, this program has been with the Minister of Rural Development since 1983, when we look back at our records. This allocation is usually to cater for prolonged dry periods where rural communities have problems with their water sources. And it's mainly used for the cuttage of water and of course for the provision of water as well, and plus some of the accessories that go with it: water pumps, hoses, tanks, etc. In the current financial year, Mr. Speaker, sir, we allocated $300,000, and we have used about 29% of that allocation, which is around $87,000. As I had already stated in this Honourable House, Mr. Speaker, sir, the forecast for the season, because we are in a La Nina period, there will be a lot of rainfall, and this is why the slow utilization. While we have a lot of rainfall in most parts of Fiji, yet, Mr. Speaker, sir, there are some places that also experienced water shortages or water problems, and that's the allocation, Mr. Speaker, sir. If I can just quickly go through some of the places where this is used, as I have already alluded to, particularly in the Central Division, Mr. Speaker, sir, because I'll start with the Central Division. Usually the tikinas of Namara and the tikina of Verata, they have water issues, Mr. Speaker, sir. So we had about 30,000 liters of water cutted by the Ministry of Rural Development through its NDMO tank, and of course we have about 45,000 as well cutted by Water Authority with the rural water component that is with because they do service these areas almost every fortnight as well, Mr. Speaker, sir. Nailangotumbo District School again in Verata, Winnimbukoi District School, Namara District School in Tailevu, Namara Nursing Station, and the Verata Nursing Station as well. I will not touch on the details of those cuttings, Mr. Speaker, sir. Additionally, we have Antioki, Naisongavau, Naibagdau, Waikete, Daku, Wunondina, Nangelandamu, Monera, Indrewa, Waida, Dalaivisari, and Wailakutu, Mr. Speaker, sir. In Naitasiri, the Windawa Government Quarters, Wisinga, Baulewu Hillside, in Serua, Nautawau, Nakomba, Nabutulewu, and in Namosi, Nangara Island, Mr. Speaker, sir. In the Northern Division was the hiring of the budge from Lautoka for Kia Island. That costed about $9,000, Mr. Speaker, sir, and the supply of some water tanks that were already moved to the Northern Division and stored at the yard at Port Nimbali, awaiting for the requests from the community, sir. And in the Western Division, we also have cutted water to Yanuya and the Tabu Island. This is in the Malolo group of islands, Mr. Speaker, sir. Included in the Northern Division was the procurement of 2 water pumps. This is for the trailer-mounted water tanks that they have in the Northern Division. So these these water pumps were to replace the 2 water pumps that were mounted on it and were stolen from the yard in Port Nimbali, Mr. Speaker, sir. That very briefly is the utilization of the allocation as of today. Thank you, sir.